This conference will now be recorded. This
Do you guys
conference
have
will
it?
now be recorded.
No, I don't have the recording option.
Yeah, I would rather prefer the PowerPoint instead of recording. You can send the
Yeah.
PowerPoint afterwards.
Yeah, I will do that once.
Can you hear me, Sosman?
I'm sorry?
Oh, not you.
Yeah, sure.
Issue, yeah. Oh, yeah. The PowerPoint will be good after we're done. If you can send the PowerPoint every lecture, that would be very good.
Yeah, maybe I'll forward that PowerPoint also, PPT. Maybe like you can refer it. In the meantime, maybe I think I'll take your mail IDs also. I don't have a mail IDs, so that second, let me do the.
Then I tried to download the SAP server,
Okay. Yeah.
but the stuff is the screen, I can't even see anything. I did it, but it's very tiny.
Okay. Because I think if it is a internet is speed, definitely you will able to download fast only. Because
No. I downloaded it. Everything is okay.
okay.
But
Okay.
when the setup, I can't even read it. I don't know why is that. I tried to. Yeah. I can share my laptop with you so that you see what I'm talking about. Maybe later on.
Yeah. Maybe I'll do one thing. Maybe do make organization. Okay. Okay. If you are able to do the screen sharing, just let me know. Do the screen share so that we'll see what is the problem for like how you are able to connect. Or else I'll do the screen share first. How we can do the connection on that. Hope you can see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can
Both
see
can
your
see my
screen.
screen. Okay. Let me. See, definitely like once you log in, like once you install the SAP GUI, which is a SAP GUI, this is the screen, like a logon screen will come.
Right.
Might be you guys, I don't know whether you guys received like SAP GUI, like installation steps and all. If you have received, maybe you need to install. Once you install that one, you need to, again, here you can see the server details also. Okay, I'll show you the details also. This is the server details, like you need to maintain the server details. Okay. See, to maintain the server details, first you need to click on the new. Is it already installed in your laptop or desktop? You guys already installed or not yet installed?
I tried, but see, the instructions I got from Teja ji, it says you have once it's downloaded, you have to unzip that folder. But I could not see any zipped folder, so I wasn't sure if that's the right one or not. So I stopped doing that. I'll check with you guys before I install it.
Okay.
Yeah. Let me say what I install. Let me see if I can see my screen.
Yeah,
Screen. Can I share my screen now to you?
yeah. Can you do the screen sharing? Let me, maybe I think I'll stop. I'll stop the screen sharing. Maybe you can do that.
Okay, I'm trying to share my. Do you see my screen?
Yeah, now you can do that screen sharing. Can you see? Can you do the screen sharing?
Yeah, I've done it. Do you see it?
No, I can't see it.
Yeah,
Okay, there you
I
go.
think,
There you go.
yeah, we got a pop-up. Yeah, we can see now.
Yeah. So I did everything, but it's very tiny. It's not big.
Yeah. It is the one which I think you downloaded and you already got the details also, like logged in and I can see. But have you logged into this screen? No, right?
But
I don't see.
I haven't logged in because if you see it, it's not looking normal. It's not big at all. It's very small. How do I make it big? Do you see that?
Yeah, I
And
think
everything is great.
Yeah, we can see like the screen, there is an option like maximize, minimize, zoom in, zoom out is option is there. Can you see
I
zoom
didn't
out,
see.
zoom in option?
I didn't see that. I can't even see anything.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. Maybe I think you have a like username password. Like you already have a username password, right?
Yeah, I haven't put the username password, but I have the page to put the username and password.
Like you can enter the username and password.
Yeah, but it's very tiny. Okay, let me try.
Yeah, yeah. You
Let me
can enter
try.
the yeah. So put the cursor in the user place.
Uh,
Will you able to enter the username here? Like in the username place, you need to enter the username and the password to log in.
okay, I'm working on that.
Okay.
Username is 113. Welcome 11. This doesn't look normal to me. Hmm. Okay. Use 111. Yeah, I log in.
Okay.
I look tiny.
Yeah, I think it is running. Looks like it is working.
But
Yeah, this is the screen. Like SAP
how do
is
I
a
make how do I make it big?
there is a maximum. Like there is a max like maximize option is there, right? You can click here, like in the right side corner, there is a minimize and maximize option is there. You need to click on that, maximize
Yeah,
the screen.
I've done that. I think it's not about that. It's about setup. I think something is not good about
Yeah, maybe I
about
think do one thing. Maybe just connect with this team. Like they can help you. Like if the screen needs to be increased or whatever they can help you for the related things. There is an option. Definitely, there is a minimize, maximize option is there. Like they will connect like screen sharing. They take the control of your system and then they can help you like how to minimize, how to maximize the screen and all.
oh, who is that? Who should I connect with?
Like the technical team. There is a like you received a mail, right? You already got a
Oh,
mail from the team. You can
okay,
reply to
okay,
them. You can reply to them that they can help you.
okay, okay. Let's go to the lecture.
Yeah. In the meantime.
Can I share my screen while I'm downloading?
Yeah, do that.
Okay. Can
Yeah.
you give me the access, please?
Sure. Yeah, just check. You might be having that option. Yeah.
Okay, this one I'm going to extract all.
Yeah.
Extract.
I think it is taking maybe 5-10 minutes. It will take, I guess.
Yeah. Meanwhile, if you want to continue with the session, and then I'll show you once it's
Yeah.
completed.
Correct. Yeah. Okay, let me take control again. Hello, you there, Sushma? Okay. Yeah, Sushma, you're there, right? Someone. Sushma, you there?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Yeah. Okay. So maybe let me go through this PPT. Yeah. We will discuss about like a overview of SAP and the basic accounting principles and the introduction to SAP FI. Yeah. See, like yesterday we already discussed about this one. Like in SAP, there are many modules are available. Hope you can see my screen, right? Is there any like can you see that GoToMeeting related information also, or you can see only PPT?
Now I can see the GoToMeeting related information too.
Okay. 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 Now it's okay, right? Screen is visible clearly, right?
Yeah, it's clear.
Yeah. Yeah. Like we have two main modules like logistic and financial. In the financial related topics, like generally, all these are all finance related. Again, in the finance, again we have a like a FI finance accounting, and CO is for controlling. Definitely, like FI is for internal, like external reporting purpose. We use finance, and the CO is for internal reporting purpose. Like finance is a legal reports, and the CO is a management report, we can say. So definitely FI CO both are equal, and mainly like legal reports, you can say P&L statement or balance sheet and cash flow. Those related reports will be generated in the financial accounting, and the CO it's a management report. Like if they want to take any decision, If the manager want to take any decision, definitely they have to refer controlling reports. So like finance is for external, CO is for internal reporting purpose we use. And again, we have a fixed asset management. Like here, fixed asset accounting, definitely we will discuss about like how to calculate the depreciation and what is the depreciation rate. Those details we will be discussing about in the finance, like a fixed asset management. And the PS, it's a project system. It is a like a separate module. We generally like to maintain like a project related activities and find out the project cost, project detailed information can be captured in the PS module. This is also separate module. So now we will cover these three modules like a FI and CO and fixed assets. These three modules we will cover. And the workflow is definitely it is related to technical. Like if they want to like any process like approval process to set up any approval, like someone they need any additional approval, like subordinates do the some activity and the manager or superiors will approve in the workflow process. This workflow process is definitely it is related to technical things. And the SAP again is supporting to IS industry solutions. Like industry solution is nothing but like a gas industries, like any mining companies, mining industry also will be generally SAP will support for all any type of industry also. Like IS all will be supported for SAP. And if I go for logistical, in the logistical also we have a few sub modules like SD, sales and distribution, and material management, which is a separate module, and production planning is also one separate module. Like in every like a project, definitely like in every project you will see these type of modules, FI and SD, PP, QM, plant maintenance, HR also will be there. These are all sub modules in SAP. You can module is nothing but it's a department. General terminology is a department. Okay, but SAP terminology it is a modules. Next slide. Okay, SAP stands for System Applications and Products in Data Processing. It's an abbreviation of SAP. Like SAP is a software where we can apply logics and we will get the results. That is like SAP stands for System Application and Products in Data Processing. FI stands for Financials. CO stands for Controlling. These are like two modules actually. FI mainly we will cover, and CO also we will cover. And the version, like current version which we are using, SAP version. Even if you want, you can see this version details also in SAP. Let me log into SAP first and show you. See, like whenever you log into this demo system, definitely it will ask the pop-up. Like there is the pop-up because someone is logged in already. So that is the reason it is giving the message like user 11 is already logged in. If you receive any pop-up message like this type of pop-up message, definitely you need to click the second option. Second option is nothing but it's a continue with this logon without ending any other logons in system. Like there is a multi login option is there. If you don't want to multi login, you need to select the first one, which is continue with this logon and end any other logins in system. If you select this one, definitely it will end at the other sessions also. So now I'm selecting second one, which is continue with this logon without ending any other logons. See, by default here you can see the like logging client default number, it is 800. Like demo, always it is a demo client is 800. In real time scenario, definitely it will be different. Don't confuse, like a client always will be 800. Like real time clients are different and the demo system clients are different. Demo system clients always it is 800 only, and the real time system it is a something like 100, 200, 300, something like that. You can see the client names and all. Okay, I'll log into this system. See here, if you want to see the like version details, you can go to system, and again I'll explain you here. This is the menu like header. Menu header. Under menu headers, you can see the menu, edit, favorites, extras, systems, and help. When you log into first screen, okay, so, okay. See, first when you log into the SAP screen, first screen it is a SAP Easy Access screen. Also, it is a like end user screen. You can say it's not a. We have a like a consultant screen, and a consultant is like we are a consultants. Like we are going to do the configuration or implementation, or we are going to do the any, special settings for the business. We are a consultants. Like once setting is done, like business users they log into in this screen, they can do the daily like activity, daily like postings, daily report generation. They do the in this screen only. There is another screen like at a time you can open 6 screens actually. To open any new sessions, there is an option. You have a create new session. If you click on create new session, it will open one more screen. See, now you can see the 2 screens at a time. This is the one screen. This is the one screen. At a time, you can open 6 screens. Okay. So I'll go to another one like which is a consultant screen, like where we do the configuration things to be done in the SPRO. SPRO is a T code. Like there is a like a option is there where we can enter the T codes. Like every path, like every settings, we have a one shortcut T codes. A transaction code is there. You can choose by transaction code, or else you can go by path also. Path is nothing but like I'll maximize the screen. Okay. See here, like you have a like there are many folders are there. Like how you open the folders, like again in the folder, again one more folder will come. Similar way, like we have a SAP has provided some folders. Under folders, you can go to inside. So now maybe I'll go to here for finance. It is a accounting, and the logistic part you can see one folder. And if you want to open again in the how we will open the folders, generally we will double click on folders, right? But similar way we have a like icon option is there, where if you click on the icon in the left side, you click on icon, then again it will open one more like another folders. It's a actually it is not a folder, it is a path, we can say one by one path you can say. And under accounting, you can see there are many modules like financial accounting, financial supply FSCM, which is a supply chain management, and the controlling, and the enterprise controlling. These are all again the sub modules. Under accounting, we have a sub modules like real estate management, project system, and the flexibility real estate management. These are all sub modules. So again, if you want to go through financial accounting, if you click on left side, there is a arrow is there. If you click on this arrow mark, then again it will open. In this financial accounting, you can see the general ledger, AR, AP, contract account, receivables and payables, banks, fixed assets. These are all again like some other folders. If I open another folder again, the general ledger again, you can see there are many folders. Like actually it is not a folder, it is a path actually. So again, if I open this one, you can see this one. Here, like every activity, these are all daily activity business, like end users, they do the activity. So if you want to go here, if you double click it, again, it will take you the inside. Inside, like business will do the daily activity. They do the transaction posting or whatever they want to, they do the activities daily. This is the screen, like where they do the daily postings, transactions, everything. Like these are our details. Maybe we will cover this, like how we can do the postings, and once we do the configuration and all. So just I'll explain. I'm explaining you the how to access, how to do the folders and all. Okay. Maybe now, right now, it is not displaying any transaction code. What to display the transaction code? You need to go to extras. Under extras, you have a like a settings. Here, the settings, you can see the display technical names. If you select this display technical names, now if I go again same path, now you can see the some difference. Can you see the difference now?
Yeah, it has the codes in the front.
Yeah. See, there is a like every transaction for every activity, there is a shortcut of T code is there. Like you can
What?
see the FD50. This is the
Sorry, what is
transaction
it
code.
called? T code?
T code, yeah, transaction code.
Transaction code. Okay.
See, daily activities, no need to go step by step. Instead of going, sometime we can enter it FB50 simply. If you remember, like end users, they do the daily few activities only, like posting the GL account, GL entry, or posting the AR entry, posting the AP entry. Like one or two entries they might be familiar. So that is they remember all the transaction codes, like one or two transaction codes they remember, and then they enter it directly instead of going path. The same way, like if you enter the transaction code in this place, it will take you the direct in the screen only. This is the like step where we need to go step by step, or we can go by using transaction code. It is a shortcut method. Definitely, like once you are comfortable with SAP, like daily you need to do the practice more and more, then you will get the some idea, like you can remember all the T codes also. Okay. Yeah, this is the one.
Yeah, I'm
And
asking.
yeah,
Hello.
yeah, go ahead.
The TICO, is it the same everywhere? Is it uniform?
Yeah, it is everywhere uniform.
Okay.
Maybe even if I go to my system, these are like my client system actually. This is client system. This is also same. You don't see any difference actually. This screen. Sometimes if you want to like there is some favorite is there. You can add some favorites also. Like suppose if you want to add, you can right click here and then insert transaction. Maybe if you don't want to remember all these transaction codes, you can add under favorites also. See, this is the transaction code which I added under my favorites. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. See here, yeah, definitely like here we need to identify the version, right? Like I'll show you how to identify the version. Here we have like a menu header. In the menu header, you have a like option which is system. Under system, you can see the status. These are all many options are there. Might be, I think you will learn one by one. Like once we log into system, once we do the activity, once we do the configuration, or once we do the any end user activity, you will get to know all this. What the purpose of using. Right now, I'm showing only for version. To check the version, you need to go system. Under system, you can see the status. Now you can see the version is like component version is SAP ECC 6 version. Okay, very clear. how to check
Yep.
the version and all, right? Definitely, but why I'm showing this one, definitely if you are going to attend any interview, definitely they will ask, like which version you used in your project, they will ask. So definitely you need to answer all these things. So that is a reason, at least I'll
What's the latest version now?
latest version is like, S4 HANA.
S4?
S4 HANA. S4 HANA.
Then why are we learning ECC instead of S/4HANA?
S4 HANA, like again, S4 HANA is we won't get online like a demo system and all. It is SAP is not providing demo system for S4 HANA.
So now just in case if we go to real world, like when you're working and if they use S/4HANA, how different is ECC from S/4HANA?
Like there won't be much difference actually. Only for a database, only different. Like earlier, like for old version, they are depending on Oracle database.
Mm-hmm.
This is the database which, like everything data is stored under the Oracle database only. But now SAP, they have a own database which is a S4 HANA database. The process
Okay.
is same. The process,
Okay.
finance process is same. Like whatever you do, only version may change. Like processes, everything is same. You won't find much difference also. Small like a difference you can find it. It's all same only. You don't find any differences. Much differences won't be there.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
Only like a database only. But ECC is a database. They are depending on Oracle. Now they have a own database which is S4 HANA database. Okay. Yeah. Like ECC is like ECC stands for ERP Central Component. ECC stands for ERP Central Component. SAP was released in 1972, and it's a headquarters in Germany. Like Germany people, they have implemented. They have a like a SAP created by Germany people.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Here ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. It is integrated all functions in one system. Here all function is nothing but say all departments, all modules, you can say. Like sales and distribution, material management, like you can say purchase department and the sales department, finance department, project system department. These are all like separate functions, but all functions will be integrated in one single system. It's a internally connected one department to another department. So like whenever you do any activity in finance side, definitely it will be available in MM side also. It will integrated. So that is the reason ERP system is a integrated system for all functions. We can say organization, like if you take any
Excuse
organization,
me.
definitely.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
I like the way you did when you get to the fashion system that you told us that this is kind of the question they ask in the interview. So when you see that kind of stuff, please tell us. Do you
Yeah,
understand
sure.
my? Okay.
Yeah, definitely. Yes. See, this is a PPT. Definitely, they won't ask much details. Like, definitely, they will expect the questions from SAP only. SAP screens like what T codes, what transaction code you use for any GL creation or like any vendor creation or configuration like automatic payment process. Maybe definitely I'll make a note. Like I'll give a information like wherever they ask the interview questions and all.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, like if you take any organization, definitely you can see the purchase department, stores department, production department, and account department. These are all departments. But these departments, when you come to in SAP, generally we want to use like terminology, not a department. Instead of department, we use modules like purchase department is nothing but say module, which is material management, or else we can use purchase to pay. Purchase to pay. See, in SAP terminology is different, and normal non-SAP terminology is different. So non-SAP generally you use a word like a purchase department, finance department, or accounting department. Like when you come to SAP, it's not a purchase department, it is a or P2P, purchase to pay. It's a module actually, purchase to pay, or which is material management.
Material management.
Yeah. And a production department, which is anyhow it is a production module. Generally they won't use department instead of. And a warehouse, like a stores is nothing but it's a warehouse module. And the accounts department, account is nothing but it's a finance, FI-CO module, finance and controlling. These like a number of departments you can see in the every organization. Same way in ERP also you have a different functions or different modules, you can say. Okay. Now the main thing, like in every like a software, either it is SAP or non-SAP, definitely you will see the minimum 3 clients will be there. 3 clients. Client is nothing but it's whichever we use the SAP screen. This is the like SAP screen, right? This is a one SAP screen. Similar way we have a like in real time scenario, you can see the 3 systems, 3 SAP system. Like you have a 800, instead of 800 you can see the 100, 150, 200, something like that you can see. Okay, 100 is a for a development purpose, 150 is a quality, which is a testing purpose, and 200 is a production system. Similar way you can see here, like a common clients, like a generally like a minimum like clients are 3 clients will be there. Sometimes you may have a more than 3, but definitely 3 clients must be there for every project. Don't confuse here. Client is nothing but it's a system. Is one SAP system. Like a 3 separate system you can see. Okay, development system, quality, and a production system. Like a development system, we generally like these 3 systems. Consultant only have access for 3 systems, but end users they have only production system. Sometimes they may have a like a little access in quality system to do some unit testing, like a user acceptance, UAT, user acceptance testing purpose. We use like a quality system also. For a development system only for functional consultant or a technical consultant. If they want to do any configuration or if they want to develop any new report or any forms, definitely will be done in development system only. Sushma, I think you are clear this client concept, right?
Yes.
Okay. I'm moving into this. Yeah, this is the correction on transport. How the changes moved from development system to quality to production. Like whenever you do the configuration or changes in development system, while saving, it will ask the name actually. There is a transport request it will ask. Definitely it will ask the transport request. Based on the transport request only, we will move the changes to quality. The quality system, end users or business will do the test and they provide the sign off. Once business is provided sign off, we'll move the changes from quality to production system. In the production system, business will use the daily activity purpose. Daily they use as per their requirement as per their convenient, like whether it is a report or whether it is a tax calculation or anything they do in the production system daily. Okay. Yeah. See, like here, definitely right now we are required to learn accounting principles. Like these three principles might be like Sushma, I think you are aware of, since
Yes.
we have already discussed about these three accounting principles. So again, no need to discuss. Maybe I'll move on to next slide. Maybe I'll share this PPT you guys. Maybe you can refer once again if you need. Okay. Now, financial accounting again, we have already discussed. It's an integration, like and finance is a for in external reporting purpose, and CO is for internal reporting purpose. So CO is a management accounting, finance is a legal reporting purpose. So that is the reason mainly like a CO is a management accounting, finance like FI is a financial accounting, which is a legal reporting purpose, which is external reporting purpose. Also, it is a government. Generally, we need like every organization they have to submit their legal reports to the government. Those reports will be generated in financial accounting. Okay. I'll move on to next slide. Yeah. And again, we have a like a fiscal year concept. Maybe I'll log into SAP system. Maybe I'll explain a little bit related to SAP. Here, like this screen is a like an end user screen, and as I told you, there is another screen where we can go to consultant screen. For to go consultant screen, you can type it here SPRO. This is a transaction code, or else you can go with the path also. That's it. System is down or something. Sometime like suddenly the system may ended. So try to log in again. If somebody like somebody they don't know to log in, sometimes they ended the session or some, you need to log in again. Let me try to log in again. Yeah, I'll go here to go like a consultant screen or configuration screen. You can type it SPRO, or else you can go by path also. There is IMG. IMG is nothing but it's an implementation guide where you can do the implementation, where you can do the configuration or implementation of SAP activity. I'll type it here SPRO, or else I can double click on. If you want to go here, you can double click here by selecting path, or else you can type it SPRO, the like menu in the T code path where you can type it SPRO. Just press enter. It will take you the next screen. In the here again, it will go to next screen. You have a like SAP reference IMG. Just click on reference IMG. It will take you this screen. This is the consultant screen actually. We can do the configuration like whatever we'll do here only. So now I'll go to like again here also you can see the like a path only, like one by one path, or else you can find it T codes also. I'll go here general also, the global setting. Here you can see the financial accounting. Under financial accounting you can see the financial global settings. Maybe for now just I'll show you this one, which is a fiscal year concept. Like a fiscal year, it's a definitely functional consultant. Like a consultant has to do the configuration of fiscal year concept for every organization. Depends on like some companies, like some organizations, they follow for a calendar year. Calendar year is nothing but it's January to December. right? Some companies, like some countries, they follow non-calendar year. Like US, definitely they follow the calendar year, and the UK also they follow calendar year, and Australia somehow they follow one year, like this year they follow different, and the next year they follow differently. Depends on like country to country, they follow different fiscal year, like financial year, you can say. But if you come to India, definitely India will follow April to March. Like they start their business at April and they end the business in the March month. Similar way, like US, they start their business in January month and they close the books in the year end, which is December month. So that is the reason here you can see the fiscal year concept. Fiscal year, it defines the financial year of the company. Like a company, it depends on company, we need to set up whether it is a calendar year or non-calendar year. Okay, maybe this one, maybe we need to discuss and we need to do the configuration also in the system. Like once we go to step by step, like the process is like I'll take a daily activity, I'll give a one advanced topic and I'll do the configuration and I'll explain you, and the same way I'll provide the documentation also. Similar way you need to do like your own company code. You need to set up your own company code. Company and the company code concept is there. Like everything reports generally we will generate under company code level only. So that is the reason in the practice or in the training, definitely I'll create one company code our training purpose. In the same way, in your end also, you need to prepare, you need to do the same configuration for one specific company code also daily. Like whatever we discussed today, next day at least you have to complete that configuration part, so that you will get some idea, so that you will get some doubt also. So next day we will discuss and then we will go for next topic. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, and the posting period, similar way, like here posting period is nothing but it's a calendar year. January is a first month, which is the 1 January, and February is second period. March is a third period. Similar way, like we need to set up the posting periods also. Why? Because as per calendar year, system no, like January is a first period, December is a 12th period. But when you come to non-calendar year, system will not understand like which is a first period, which is a 12th period. So April month is a first period as per Indian calendar. So that is the reason posting period also we need to set up. We need to do the configuration to identify the system, whether it is a which period we are posting, whether it is a first period or second period. These details we need to do setup. We need to do the configuration of posting period. Okay. So I think we'll end the session for today. Maybe I think we'll discuss tomorrow in SAP system. In the meantime, maybe you go through this PPT. Anything we will require. These are all SAP related topics. Anyhow, we will discuss again in the when we connect to daily topic. Like we have a topics, we have a separate topics like finance. Again, we have a separate modules, separate sub modules in FI, like a basic settings. First, we will do the basic settings for FI, and then next we will do the GL part. We will take in the second part. In the GL, like what are all configuration is there, what is the end user activity, everything we will cover in daily. Like we'll take one topic and we will finish it, and then once it is GL completed, then we will move to AP or AR, whatever it is there. The similar way, like one by one topics we will take and we will complete it. Okay.
Can I show you my screen now, sir, for that download I did?
Yeah, sure. 1 minute. Let me
Sure.
give you control.
This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. Okay, just check if you have an option to do the screen sharing. Yeah.
SAP.
Okay, see SAP log on.
Yeah.
There's nothing under the name,
No,
and
no, there is a create option is there. Just click on create.
I mean, where?
Variable logon is there, right? There is a variable
Yeah.
logon. Next to create option. I think I have a control also. Let me try this one.
Okay.
I think I don't have a control. You can try this. There is a next option is there, right? Click on next. You need to enter the application server details which they have given.
Okay. The instance number is a system number?
Yeah. Some ID, I think it is ECC, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it. That's it. Click on next. Yeah. Click on next. Click on next. That's it. Login. Click on login.
Do you want to see the detailed error description?
Yeah, I think the server details you entered incorrect, I think. Can you close? No, no. Click on no. Click on no. Okay. Now try again. Clicking on new. There is a new option is there, right? There is a, yeah, click on that. Okay. Now right click, just right click. Close that one. No. Done no. No. Right click. Click on details. Do you have a view? Click on view. Details here. Click on details. Anything? Nothing, right?
Nothing. Because see where he says like unzip the folder, like I did not see any zipped folder once I downloaded that. That was the problem.
Yeah, that's okay. But you have a downloaded,
okay?
correct only. It is a 730 you have downloaded. That's okay. Maybe click on connections. Click on connections. Okay. Now can you click on the new? There is a new option. Is there right? Above variable logon. There is a above next to variable logon.
Sorry.
Yeah. Click on that new. Click on that new. Okay. Now click on next. Now enter that description. You need to enter the description like SAP. Yeah. That's it. Okay. Now application server details. System ID. No, under system ID, not a total. Yeah. Next. Next. Finish. Okay. Now click on SAP FI-CO. Right side you can see that, right? Yeah. Click on double click.
Okay.
Now you can enter the username password. Yeah. Yeah. This is
Yeah,
the one.
yours look okay. This one look okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Correct. Yeah.
I think as Tejas has said, if you check the zoom settings, maybe that's too low for you.
Yeah. Maybe I think it's a Zoom setting only. I don't know. Fine. I think I'll
Yeah.
end the session for today. Maybe we'll connect tomorrow, and we
All right.
will do the like we will. I don't think so. I'll won't like refer PPT. We will straight away go to SAP, and then we will explain like whatever configuration things we need to cover up. Okay.
All right. And I've shared you my email, so if you get a chance, please share the
Yeah,
recording.
yes, yes. I think you have a recording, right? You don't have a recording?
No, no, sir.
Okay, no problem. I'll share this recording. Can you
Please.
send me
Thank
your recording also with you? Can you
Sorry.
please send?
Yeah, recording is fine, but
No, you have a recording, right?
I'm not sure.
Okay, just ping me your mail ID, please.
How do I do that?
Okay, you have a, there
message
is
him.
a,
Yeah,
there is
message
a
him.
message chat option is there. You have a chat option. The chat option you can just I pinged you. Did you receive my ping?
Yeah. I see it. Mm, Thank you. But I have problem with the installation though.
Yeah, I think installation okay. Maybe I think from tomorrow onwards we'll connect directly in SAP only. Thank you guys. We'll
Mhm.
connect tomorrow again. We'll connect
Okay,
tomorrow
thank
again.
you.
Thanks. Bye.
All right. Thank you, sir.